Does evolution disprove God? Many PhD Christians see no conflict with God and evolution, but they hold complex thoughts on the book of Genesis. I'll explain why we share genetic material with all life forms, including trees and fruits, with God alone. You see, there's missing links in all so-called evolutionary chains. Let's let Alex explain.
There are huge leaps between transitions. In this example, this specimen is missing. There is not one complete chain of transitional fossils for any animal, not one.
It jumps from this guy to this guy. This is one of the best evidences they use to claim evolution is true, but this is only proof of microevolution. In the end, it's still classified as a bird. Most Christians believe God made our bodies adaptable to different terrains out of necessity. So our bodies do change, not drastically, but just enough to survive.
Our ability to adapt is already found in our genetic makeup, but macroevolution insists that our bodies also change by gathering information from outside our genetic makeup through mutations.
Mutations rarely occur and have never been shown to have any real impact on a creature's genetic makeup.
Exactly.
Can you give an example of a genetic mutation or an evolutionary process which can be seen to increase the information in the genome?
Can you just stop while I think?
I'm recording.
Okay. There's a popular misunderstanding of evolution which says that fish turned into reptiles and reptiles turned into mammals, and so somehow we ought to be able to look around the world today and look at our ancestors. We ought to be able to see the intermediates between fish and reptiles, and between reptiles and mammals. We ought to be able to see fish kind of on the way to becoming reptiles. But of course that's not the way it is at all. Fish are modern animals. They're just as modern as we are. They're descended from ancestors, which we're descended from. Way back 300 million years ago, there would have been an ancestor, which was the ancestor of modern fish and the ancestor of modern humans.
So how do we explain the huge leaps in genetic mutations between transitions?
Easy. These are all different but similar looking creatures.
Genes, which from my point of view are absolutely central to biology, genes are information. They're coded information. It even looks like computer information. I mean, a chromosome is a great long computer tape. It's linear, runs one-dimensional, digital code. It's not binary, it's quaternary, but apart from that, it's just the same as computer tape. It's read in sequence. It's copied and pasted from one part of the organism to another in just the same way as a computer programmer would copy and paste. So biology has turned into computer science.
God made all animals out of the same material. From dust we are made, and to dust we depart. But more complicated than Play-Doh. Every component found in our body can be found in the earth beneath. God made all of us out of the same clay, but with differences in composition. What truly sets us apart is the free will spirit of God which he had breathed into Adam, the firstborn amongst men.